Foul, you wanna fight? I'll put up the dukes, put up those dukes, put up those dukes. Hi, Freddie. How you doing? We're at the Rolling Oaks Mall in San Antonio, Texas, the Forgotten Mall. And today we have a mini MonsterCon. So come on inside, come and join me. These are some of my biggest fans, man. I see them every year. Love them. Love them. You guys are awesome. It's a hot day here in Texas. It's halfway to Halloween, and we're gonna check out the halfway to Halloween here for the first time at the Rolling Oaks Mall, and the full MonsterCon will be here in September. But let's go inside this mall. It kind of died out, man, after COVID and things like that. So let's go take a look. See if we can find some monsters. And look at this dude, man, from Return of the Living Dead. I remember him. He scared the shit out of me when I was a kid. I like that Chucky though, he looks Chinese. But yeah, today we got the new location for MonsterCon 2022. And they have the halfway to Halloween event here today. Hopefully it'll be a great turnout, get some good footage and all that good stuff. This looks new, Anime Land. I don't remember seeing this in the past. That's pretty neat if you're into the anime. And look down below. We have some stuff, some folks. Look at that. Is that Six Flags down there with their marketing or Dr. Diabolical, the steampunk? Oh, look at that, it's Catwoman. Sexy. And we have some celebrity panels over there. That's the dude from Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Well, let's get downstairs and take a look at that. Is that Deadpool? Woo! There's an eyeball staring at me. You see it? I see you. She don't see me. And that's right, we're here in San Antonio. Military City, USA. We got blue bonnets and a lot of damn ass heat. And the Spurs. That's pretty groovy. You dig? I dig. Oh, check it out, man. That's the Hulk. And Extreme. I don't know. Am I allowed to use these? Says escalators available in JCPenney's. I gotta walk all the way around. Lord have mercy, I can't get down. Help me. Help me now. Oh, it's tattooings and things like that. Check this out. What's this? March 26th. Oh, this done passed. Kings of Horror. Didn't know that. Oh well, maybe next time. Last year was the inaugural season of the Haunted Oaks, and it looks like they're gonna put it in this location now, which is upstairs. It's kind of cool. I think this used to be like a carpet store, and then now they're gonna put the haunted house up in here. They should have ran it today. That would have been really cool. Let's go take a look right over here, because I bought some carpets here a while back. Oh yeah, look at that. Joey Divine. This dude's insane, man. He's so cool. Looks like they're gonna put it all up in here. Looks like part of it's already up. Hard to see, but you can see the wood work back there. But yeah, it was inaugural season last year, and that was downstairs. So it looks like they're gonna move it up here, which looks like a better spot anyways, because it's a bigger area. But that's cool. Look at that, they got Shorty in the window. Man, I was trying to get that dude all last year, and they got it sitting right here. What is this store? Spooky vendor this way. Is this like a Halloween store? All kinds of cool little stuff down here. All right, well, let's get to halfway to Halloween here and get this party started. Just thought I'd show you this. This is a pretty cool store. And if you're ever here in Rolling Oaks Mall, come check it out. Looks like it's called Leveled Up. All right, let's keep rolling. Whoa. How you doing, sir?
This is Jack. Hey, Jack.
And we have some more good stuff. So you guys probably see all this come MonsterCon later in September. Yep, see, they'll be back in September. So if you don't pick it up today, you can get it in September. Who's there? It's him. I'm a day late, $1 short, because yesterday was Friday the 13th. It's the real Jason, folks. Check it out. We got some merchandise here too, folks.
Big fan. I follow you on YouTube, on TikTok now. And I'm a big fan. I watch all your stuff right before fall, Halloween, so I get ready for all my haunted house stuff. So, man, I'm a big fan, and thank you for.
And I appreciate you, man.
Dude, all your content helps me out every year to get motivated.
Right on. Check him out. You got Chucky down here too.
Yeah, that's him.
Oh hell yeah, that's your other son, right? All right, appreciate it, man. Thank you. All right, so we got Tom Fridley, and Darcy, and yeah, we got some things going on over here. Ooh. We got Star Wars stuff. The House of Nightmares. Look at this. This is neat, huh? You got all these little things that you put on your shoes, your little crocodile shoes, some Legos, some masks. Hello.
Hi.
We got some backpacks that y'all go get your groceries with. Ooh, look at this. Even a ghostly bra. Get it? I like the Chucky one right there. Check out these little monsters. I like this dude. He's cute. Check out that guy. Oh, look at this. Got a gremlin there. Look at a Chucky mask, and the man's eating. He's like, get that camera out of my face. Oh, I might have to come back and get some of these because my daughter xenomorphs. Is that a xenomorph? Is that a baby one? How cool. Look at this. All right, let's keep on trucking, see what else they got. Look at this. This is pretty spooky up in here. We got a little pirate. I like this. You know what? I saw him walking around that way. He gave me a bottle of rum, but I said, I don't drink, man. No, I'm kidding. I like this. Sweet. All right, have a good day. All right, so, oh, look at this Chucky over here. Man, I've never seen this one. Look at that. He kind of looks like an anime Chucky. And look at this dude, man, from Return of the Living Dead. I remember him. He scared the shit out of me when I was a kid. I like that Chucky though, he looks Chinese. We got Freddy and Frank and a bunch of cool things over here. We got a lot of anime. And we got a fox. How you doing? And I believe this is Star Wars Society, maybe, no? Or Starfleet. So this is a different one. Yeah, it's definitely different than the Wonderland's American Mall. But I like this. It's got a good feel. Got some artwork. Look at this. That's nice. They got some great detail on this stuff. Man, put them in a frame. That looks sweet. There we go. We finally got some folks in costume. Yeah, baby. Looking good, looking good. Oh, look at these. I've never seen these. It says, face your fears, feel my fur. I don't know what it's supposed to do, but it looks pretty cool. Oh, there's a button to push. These are new. Never seen those. Oh, look at that, where the wild things are. Love that dude. check out these tumblers, man. These are really cool. I like that Pennywise one. He's looking at me all creepy. There's Jason, the Evil Dead.
The wallet, Harry.
Yeah. It is a wall.
Oh, look, they have a small thing.
Yeah, I got a raise on the card. Yeah, I think I have that.
We got Leatherface there too with the Killer Clown. Is that Joey? Look at that Joey. How you doing, my man? Look at that. You took my brains and my eyeballs and all that.
Yeah, I even saw on your daughter's channel, Harper's Playhouse.
Yeah. You the man. Take it easy, Joey. Peace out, brother. The dog's like, it's a clown. It was working. This is awesome. Look at him. Oh, he's going to go that way. He's going that way. He's going that way. He's looking for victims. How you doing? Hi, Freddie. How you doing? Looking good.
Our level. Probably too many people. Here's the lower level. No.
There it goes.
Yeah, there's out a minute.
You guys are amazing, man. I love it. Pow, you want to fight? I'll put up the dukes. Put up those dukes. Put up those dukes. I know who this is, man. It's that color scope. How you doing, sir?
How you doing?
I'm doing good, man.
Doing good. You look good. You look better than me. I don't know what kind of thing it's kind of crazy.
But you're looking good, man, and you're becoming to be a TikTok star. This is the color skull.
There you go.
Y'all look good. I like it.
One night. One night just make that.
That's not bad.
Reflective tape don't make it better.
That's good though. wrestler at that, and a horror buff, and a Halloween. I love him. He's a cool cat. Ow. There they are again.
You took a photo.
Absolutely love these guys. Peekaboo. Chucky.